Bottom idioms. Britlish.com. At the bottom of the ladder. When you start out in a job or career, you are at the bottom of the ladder. You'll start at the bottom of the ladder, but you'll soon work your way up. Learn something from the bottom up. To learn something from the bottom up is to learn something comprehensively from the basics, the most important aspects. The director learned his trade from the bottom up by starting as a T-boy in a film studio. To be at the bottom of something. Something which is or lies at the bottom of something distasteful is the real or underlying reason for it. I think not being able to have children of her own lay at the bottom of her strange behavior towards my wife. The bottom of the barrel. Somebody or something that is the bottom of the barrel is the lowest quality possible, the dregs, or the least desirable. Perhaps if we pay people more, we wouldn't have to accept the bottom of the barrel. Bottoms up. When you drink from a glass, you normally tip the bottom of it into the air, and from this we get the toast of bottoms up. Here's to this new project. Bottoms up. The bottom line. The figurative meaning of the bottom line is the final outcome or result of something. The bottom line is the company is going to have to close unless we can find some more backing. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Something which is extremely soft and smooth and has no imperfections is as smooth as a baby's bottom. Remember that robots will be running around on this floor, so it needs to be as smooth as a baby's bottom. From top to bottom. From top to bottom means from the highest point to the lowest point and every part in between. The police searched the house from top to bottom, but found no evidence. The bottom drawer. Young women who are to be married collect household things in their bottom drawer. When she told me she was engaged, I gave some towels and bed linen for her bottom drawer. To hit rock bottom. When you hit rock bottom, you are at the lowest possible moment of your life and things can only get better. When I got divorced, I knew I'd hit rock bottom and that life would soon get very much better. From the bottom of my heart. When you want to say something with great sincerity of meaning, you can say from the bottom of your heart. I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the help you've given me. The bottom fell out of. If the bottom falls out of something, it has lost value suddenly and without warning. The financial crisis was caused when the bottom fell out of the housing market.